Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I have another what's for dinner for you. So first of all, we are having meatloaf pie, and this is an old favorite of mine. I used to make this in a muffin tin and make meatloaf muffins, but I've really enjoyed making it in like a pie or cake tin because I love how thin it is and it's just like the perfect consistency. So I first started by chopping up some onion, and at first I thought this was too much onion, but it actually added so much flavor and I was really happy with it. And then I chopped up some spinach to put in there just to add some extra vegetables. I then mixed it in with a pound of ground beef. And added some garlic, pepper, salt, chili powder, all the good stuff. Then I added some ketchup and barbecue sauce. I didn't measure, but this made it have a lot of flavor. Mixed it all together. Then I added in a quarter cup of oats. This just helps it stick together and stay in formation. I added it into my cake tin and then flattened it all out. I preheated the oven to 350. No, sorry, 425. And then I put it in for 20 minutes. I then peeled and chopped up some potatoes. I like to chop them before I put them in the boiling water just so that they cook faster. Now, mashed potatoes are not my favorite, but my husband loves them, so every once in a while I will make them for him. I would rather sweet potatoes any day, but you know, you have to do what makes your husband happy sometimes. And so then on the top, I mixed up some ketchup and maple syrup, and then I just basted this on top and put it back in the oven for 10 more minutes. Once my potatoes were soft, I put in some milk, a little bit of butter, and mashed them up. I also realized that the milk bag was still closed when I tried to pour it. I put some salt, pepper, and garlic powder in here. My husband likes these to be really mashed, and I do too, actually. So I just made sure that there was little to no clumps in here, and they taste a lot better that way. I then took my meat pie out, sliced it up, and then I had to take dinner to go this night, so I added some carrots on the side and some mashed potatoes and some meat pie. So the next night, I had fully planned on cooking, but wanted to try out this new pizza spot. So I got us a pepperoni bacon pizza. It was so good. It was really good pizza, amazing. And then I added the taco salad on the side, and that was dinner. It was amazing. Tonight we had this sweet potato ground turkey skillet. It was so good. I added a pound of ground turkey in, seasoned it with some garlic, salt, and pepper. And then I peeled some sweet potatoes and regular potatoes and just peeled those and cubed them up into small cubes. I cut up some green pepper. Green peppers are my favorite by far. I don't really eat the other peppers too often unless they're in the frozen pepper bag, but I love green peppers, so I chopped those up, added them in with the ground beef once it was almost completely browned. Added in a cup of broth to help the potatoes cook, but I also then added in a little more, and I added in the potatoes, the sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, and onions, and then I covered that up and I let it cook for a while. It does take a while for the sweet potatoes to soften, but the mixture of potatoes was also really good, and just the seasonings and everything, and you could leave it like this once it's cooked, but I actually added cheese to mine, and then I realized that I didn't have a lot of cheese left, so I used these marbled cheese slices, and it looks kind of gross, but it was actually really good, and it was the best one that I've made. I've made the skillet a few times and it's been too plain, so I think the seasoning helps a lot, and then the cheese mixed in, not just on top, and my husband loved it and he said it was really good too, so that's always a win. And I didn't get a great clip of it when it was done, but it was really good. I'll link the recipe down below. Then this night, it was so beautiful out, and it was Friday, so my husband stopped and got burgers, so I just made some burgers on the barbecue and some fries on the side, and we just had some burgers and fries. Always good, simple meal to go back to, pizza and burgers when you're in a pinch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.